Hey, Brendo. Yeah, not this morning this time, but it's pretty recent. And it's just going to be a really simple one. And it's a trade we're still in. I thought it was pretty appropriate. The market is absolutely tanking right now. So we go to the downside here, and let's have a quick look at what's happening. And what we did, the Qs, man, we took the Qs today. We understand that they were strong in the pre-market a little bit. They bounced back, but you can see what's been happening all day. Look at this trend, straight to the downside. Then all of a sudden, I saw Jeffrey Gundlach on CNBC talking recession, talking about all this stuff. Then I go over to the Qs and I have a look and I say, you know what? Let's play it off of this 50 period. We have VWAP all the way to the high side. We're starting to turn down. Let's go short. We've noticed that the short has been in the last couple afternoons. Now, could have we predicted this kind of a move down? Well, no, because I wouldn't have got out there then for the dollar. So we take out half for this dollar right there in this area. And why did we take out half, guys? It's pretty simple. You're right into this past support that's already held, 354. So when we went short, we let it drop down. There it is. I think it's like 70, 80 cents or so on the first win. And then we held. And why did we hold? Well, we were just trying to find, like, what was an area here that we've already tested on the Qs? Because there's a lot of bouncing. We've already taken out this 354 area, which again is, part of the reason why we're short. So we already took out this area. That bottom wick that was made back there on the 2nd or the 3rd of February, you can see right down here, this is a 20-minute chart. That level of 350, 350.50 or so, that got taken out. So once we're down below there, now we start to look. Here's that level right here. You see some choppiness there? Almost got me out. Like, I'm now debating if we retake this, maybe we get out at 351, retake the 50 period, but you can see the market is still going to the downside. So we have what? A $5, maybe $6 winner on right now as we speak with the triple Q. So maybe I got to finish this and get back to my desk. But that's the move to the downside. And look, it's Friday, right? Obviously, now we're getting news of possible invasion, and maybe that's what's happening right now, of Ukraine by Russia. So that started to get some action here. And you can see the volume really picking up now into the afternoon on the Russia headlines, on just the economy. There's also a rumor about a surprise, and we just talked about it on the show, of the FOMC with a meeting next week. So, I mean, who knows what's going to happen here? But when you start to hear those things as a trader, it's almost worth like taking a shot. And that's basically what we did here. We had our out up here somewhere like 355.50, this top area. So definitely 1-to-1 risk on the first piece, and then let the rest fly, especially on a short, man. When the bottom falls out, you really don't have that base, right? We don't have support here on the 20-minute, so we're trading the Qs. It's NASDAQ to the downside. We've still got this, and we're pretty happy about it. It's your trade of the afternoon, Brett.